Gabby, it's 2 o'clock. You're not supposed to be doing Christmas shopping today?
And welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. So we starting off with me trying to organize my coworker Christmas gift, right? So I tell you is that Christmas gift basket are all his favorite snacks that I see him eating in work. Obviously I must miss out some, but so it is good. So it have a type here, right? So I get this to make it into like a thing to hold it in our brand, and I'll put the thing and I'll do the thing, I'll put the bow and do the thing and the thing and the thing, right? Or you know what I'm talking about. So I know how to cut all this piece. I'm gonna cut a piece from here diagonally straight until to the end here, and it's on the next side, and then cut this part here, and I think that'll be it. I'm gonna wrap it in gift paper, obviously, like we can't just have a box, you mad? And I feel I'll have to give him it like this with it wrap up nice and cute, because it can't fit in the gift bag I buy. Ooh, yeah, so let's go. But yeah, so let me figure this out and then we're gonna come back. Alright, so this is how it ended up coming out. All I did not know that this thing was shedding so much. Look at how much thing all over the place. All I'm messing on. And I'm gonna put it in this gift bag because I can't walk with that to work because it's gonna be shedding all over the place and I don't want to ask me nothing. So I'm gonna put it in this bag. Whoa, I think it's big enough. So there's that. But it come out looking a little cute and things. It look nice. I like it. Oh, it says get a Christmas gift. Oh, it's so cute. So, my coworker get me a Starbucks cup, Olive. I feel a bougie. Okay, so, yeah, I got a Starbucks cup. Whoa, yeah, very Christmassy, festive and stuff. Or these, I never have like candy canes and a Ferrero Rocher. Whoa. And then, ooh. That's not it, that's not. I guess Starbucks gift card. Oh, not the people email. I guess Starbucks gift card. It's so cute. Yeah. Beautiful. And he opened it, but he like to be on camera, so. Alright, so this is back home. Cindy coming for me to plait her hair. So I just waited on her to do that, and earlier tonight, no matter how long it takes, I have some maintenance to do. I have to wax my legs, wax my arms, wax my mustache. I need to neaten up my hair, because tomorrow please what have an event. And since I look good, hello, I'm putting light. Since I look good, what about me? Nothing. But yeah, so I have all of that to do within the next, how much hours, Lord? Within the next 6 to 7 hours, because I want to go in my bed early-ish. So of course I'll bring you along for the ride. I think what will take me the longest is neatening up my hair, because I have to neaten up. I can't just do the front and the back because I want to do like a side part, low one. So because of that, I need to neaten up like somebody wants in between, so the back will look crazy now, boy. So that's what we're doing. And all you want to see my cute little gift from my coworker. And I said he liked his own, but he don't like the camera, so I didn't get to get his like reaction. But yes, so I get a Starbucks cup and I said Starbucks a gift card. That will come in so handy because I love a Starbucks. If it's one thing I like, it's Starbucks. In my opinion, rather it over rituals. That is me and my opinion. That's me, myself, and I. If you love all the rituals, good for you. To me, rituals is way too sweet. And sometimes the drinks just do be given. So yeah, so I'll just wait on that and then. Oh, she's supposed to get here that package. Oh Lord Jesus. But yeah, so I'm gonna come back to you all when she arrives. But it's how we matching. How about that? Oh, listen, this here to get her hair done it.
Everything.
And imagine. And I'm gonna give away prize. The very price it is. Alright. Let me get heat in this head. But always how I start waxing and clean forget. So I already do a mustache. Mustache be gone. My underarms are nice and clean. Yes, look at that. Beautiful. So it's just my legs here. I do not sort properly up to see a time lapse of that, and then earlier, Lord, I didn't neaten up this here earlier. It's not easy now, not easy at all. But you know, properly up so I could see. And actually I want to take a food break. And I'll steam one of my pastas, the peas one. So I want to take a food break and drink my little sorrels away. Don't properly up. And then we'll go from there, my love. From there. Oh, don't mind the prop up. Oh, Lord. Oh, goodness. Alright, there. And I'm gonna need it straight out the pot. Straight out the pot, you know? Straight out the pot. Hey, Cindy, but you fly. The split straight out the pot. I get it straight out the pot. I get it straight out the pot. I know that's not the song, but it sounds good. Because that's what I'm going to do. Take it straight out the pot. With my little clipper thing. And people will be like, get your pastel time to cool. For what? That don't make no sense. But give it time to cool. It don't need no time to cool, it's going in my stomach. So it's gonna do she here. So I'm going to use the red one in the purple bottle. Oh, update. Since I washed my hair, I washed it. Some vlogs are back. My scalp has been doing beautiful. And it's not looking all crazy anymore, which is great. What do I need, Lord? I'm gonna edges brush. I had this. I think that's it. Do I need water? No, because that might reactivate something that I might need to reactivate. So basically what I'm going to do is these that you're seeing out, tidy up these because I want to do like a little swipe thing. I'll pop a picture right here. That's what we're going for. So we'll see. So I'll be looking this way because this is where the mirror is. But yo, let me go. Evidence when I get like under eye patches because sometimes my eyes be looking real crazy on it. Like, what's going on, girl? Anyways, Ollie, yeah, let me start. Just let it set and then I'll come back and just put it in the one because basically just to go so I'm putting it on. But it needs to set for sure. So I'm gonna come back. Alright, I'm gonna finish polishing my little toesies. I think that's good there. I might just put one more coat. So I'm gonna take all this stuff away in the one. Do I have a black? And I don't have a black in this. I could get it with green because the dress is a deep green. Yeah, if I use this, it wouldn't. Oh, wait. I thought it's okay. I'm gonna come to collect something. And oh my god. Let's see. Look at you. Oh, you don't love I haven't seen you like this? Oh, you look bald head, Keanu. You don't know I haven't seen you like that? Oh my goodness. Anyways, can't get it all quick because I told you this already. Keanu come and can't fuck over my brain on it. Oh my god, I don't know. I have not seen Keanu without hair. Like, it's been a bit. Alright, boy. The hair set nice, man. Boom, mama. I feel like going to look at my edge wrap. Because I cannot afford for this to get, do you call this thing? For this to get, for this thing to get around for, like, I really can't. I mean, yes, I work in AC, so it should be fine, but I cannot. I really cannot. So yeah, all I do is a low one. Basically, all of that there, all of this here. Fix some of that. Oh god. I had a feeling the back here to make sure the back here not how do I say it? Not bumpy. So there's that there. Is that the middle of my head? No. This is the middle of my head. Right, beautiful. Now we wrap you around twice. Wait now, ready stretching this, Lord. Or let stretch going. I don't have a choice but to use this one. Where does pink come from? I don't know. I'll put black over it. Yeah, I really won't. Put this over. Alright, already here is in a low one. I'll leave out this one. Just because. Right, so here's staying, everybody in place. With this little slack. I need this to not be so slack, so. See what? Twist you up. And then put you back through here. Come on, go on through. Okay, beautiful. That is so. Right. Okay, beautiful. So yeah, let's side something. I think I want to put it like all the way in front here, but I ain't feeling that. So this one is gonna stay. We'll put some edge control on this little one here in the back. That I leave out. And the good thing is that it's not tight at all. Okay, good. So my hair do. I'm honestly thinking of wearing my edge wrap to work. I am so serious because this hair is not to get around for like no, this is to stay just like this until tonight. But I'm going to be ending off this vlog here. You will see the next part of today in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Yo, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all the support. And yeah, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Just need to go and get ready for work. Yep.